So this car, the knocking obviously from the rocker arm valve lift, the valve train system. So there are oil leak from cam adjustment and vacuum pump. A lot of oil leak. Okay. So we need to remove timing, remove the phone, check timing, remove the valve lift, cam, rocker arm, camshaft, all have to be checked. Vacuum pump, repair kit, O-ring gasket, HP pump gasket, and so on. So far from what you can see here. Okay, rocker arm, you can see this shiny wheels. The camshaft, you can see these are bearing wheels here, and then here damage on the loop. Okay, these are the wheel knocking quite, so we have to replace this. And the other one is also wearing. Other than this seems to be okay lah. A bit of wear. Bridge, oil screen still okay. These are the well. We can polish it, but best replace as well. Still can be used, but got wells as well. Okay, as for the timing, okay, camshaft cap for the main pulley disc well out by the oil seal, which make a line of glove. Okay, it will start leaking from here soon. I can feel the cuff. Okay.